Hi guys, this is Vamsi and you're watching Via Cooks. In this episode, we'll be cooking chicken biryani. I'll be breaking down the process into 3 steps. Please watch the video till the end and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Also hit that subscribe button to get notifications of our latest uploads. So let's get started. So the first step is marination. Here I have 500 grams chicken, to which I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Now add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half a cup fried onions, few coriander leaves, mint leaves, and now add 200 grams curd. Mix thoroughly. Finally add salt and refrigerate the mixture for 2 to 3 hours. And now it's time to prepare the rice. Now add 1 teaspoon ghee, 2 teaspoons oil. Once the oil is hot, it's time to add spices. Add bay leaf, cinnamon, black cardamom and cloves. When the spices start releasing their flavors and they become aromatic, it's time to add 1.5 liter water, one teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt. Now let it come to a boil. Now add 1.5 cup basmati rice soaked for 1 hour and cook on high flame until 70% is cooked. So now it's time for the last and the final step. So in this step we are gonna layer the rice and the marinade. So first we have the marinade. We'll add it to the pot. We'll let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that we'll be layering it with the rice which is 70% cooked. Once you're done with layering of the rice, now it's time to add the onions, coriander leaves, mint leaves. Also sprinkle a biryani masala. Add ghee. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on slow to medium flame.